a young car trader who is enthusiastic about cars. I love buying them, I love selling them, I love owning them. And I'm fairly new to the business. I've only been doing this for about a year and a half, buying and selling cars. Um, After watching a few of my favorite YouTubers, Sam Crack, Castle Paul, Savage Rivers UK, I've decided to actually just go ahead and start my own channel. Just like those guys are doing at the moment. Obviously they've got channels, just basically documenting my journey as a car trader who started part-time into a full-time car trader, which is one of the things I'm aiming to be at one point in the near future. On this channel you are going to see me working towards a journey towards, as I said on the channel's name, my dream cars. What those dream cars are is three particular vehicles. The first one, which is at the top of my list, which is the car that I've always wanted the most, is the Audi A5. That car is beautiful. The Audi A5 car is absolutely beautiful, and it would be a dream. It is genuinely a dream to own that car. So you are going to see me starting off with random cars, small cars, buying and selling them, because I'm only starting with a small budget. And once that budget has obviously increased high enough, at some point I will be buying that Audi A5. So hopefully stick around to watch that. The second car that I've always wanted to own is the BMW 1 Series. I don't know why I like this car, but I do like this car. So you are going to see me working towards buying that car as well. The BMW 1 Series is quite plain, I think, as a car. So when we acquire this car, this is a car that I'm going to be looking to just mod a little bit aesthetically to make it really pleasing. And then after having it for a little while, we'll also shift that off and get it rehomed, and hopefully whoever gets the car can enjoy the car for the rest of their days as well. I'm also aiming to get the Vauxhall Corsa Limited Edition. I love this car, the Vauxhall Corsa Limited Edition. It's just a boy racer car. I've never owned one, and that will be something I'm working towards achieving on the channel.